Everybody knows Tokyo. Cherry blossoms, ancient temples, a city that never seems to sleep. But this isn't that Tokyo. In 1946, Tokyo stood in the shadow of one of the most devastating air campaigns in history. Months earlier, waves of American B-29 bombers had reduced vast sections of the city to ash. More than 100,000 people lost their lives. Yet this remarkable map doesn't ask us to focus on what was destroyed. Instead, it quietly documents what remained. The orange districts reveal the bombed out areas, the streets, the railways, the bridges, but also the foundation of a city determined to rebuild. Engineers couldn't rebuild Tokyo from memory. They needed a map. This wasn't simply a record of destruction. It was a working blueprint for tomorrow. Within a single generation, Tokyo would rise from these ruins to become one of the world's greatest cities. The Tokyo millions know today began right here. Every great city has a moment when its future seems impossible. This map captured the moment Tokyo chose to begin again. Every map has a story to tell. We're here to uncover them. Welcome to Cities Through Time.